the first question, whether where we are going will not treat us badly from where we are coming, it is not. Because where we are going, there is prospect and there's opportunity that Igbanke will become a local government area. And if Igbanke is a local government area, there is no way we can be marginalized. Here we will have our House of Assembly member, here we will have our councillors, we will have our chairman, we will have everything. And let me also say it, so that our brother can tell the senator. In the entire Anioma landscape, Igbanke has the largest land to be used, land span to be used for any development, for anything at all. So Igbanke can never be neglected and marginalized, just like we are suffering now. So we are very convinced, based on relationship and interaction questions, that Igbanke will be on a high esteem when Anioma comes into being by God's grace. It is a done deal. It's a done deal. What we just need is to sensitize us, because the referendum is going to come up very soon. So it will not be strange, and that's what the essence of all this.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that elder from Igbanke said. He said that during the last press conference in Igbanke land on the 26th of June 2025. During that press conference, so many of their people were asking questions because they gave room for question and answer. And so many of the people started asking, will Igbanke people be treated fine in Anioma State? Are they sure that Anioma people will not be treating them badly the way Benin people were treating them? They were asking so many questions, like so many of them want to know if Igbanke people will be accepted by Anioma people. And this man here is telling them that there is no issue, that everything is okay and in place. Let me throw more light to what the man said. No one will marginalize the Igbanke people in Anioma State, because Igbanke people are Ika people, and they also have so many other Ika communities in Anioma State. Our people are Ika people. Our people are Ika people. Igbo people are Ika. Otolopo are Ika. Utoku are Ika. Akomaze are Ika. So many Ika communities are there. Our people cannot marginalize the Igbanke people. Igbo cannot marginalize them. And that's because they are one people. They are one family. If Igbanke people join Anioma State, they will be treated fine and fairly. See Igbanke, see Igbo. See Igbanke, see another Ika community. They will live fine. If Igbanke people join Anioma State, they will have their own local government. They will not join other Ika local governments in Anioma State. No. A local government will be created, and that local government will be called Ika West Local Government Area, Anioma State. For them to build their land, for them to build their people, for them to develop. So they don't need to come join another local government. No, they will have their own local governments. It's a done deal. With that, they will have their own local government chairman. A Igbanke person will be the chairman. Everything that comes with local government, Igbanke people will occupy it. Iru community in Edo State, they are Ika speaking people. They said that they want to join Anioma State when created. Some other Ika communities in Edo State want to join Anioma State. So if all of them are being joined to Anioma State through boundary adjustments, they will have their own local government chairman. Everything that comes with local government will be coming from them, because now them will be local government chairman and everything. So they have more power when they join Anioma State. Like my community Ogume, we have our own local government. No be saying only Ogume did the local government. Some other communities, such as Kwale, Ogume, and some other Okwani communities, we are known as Ndokwa West. Ogume person Phoebe, the local government chairman of Ndokwa West. Other communities where they there, the same thing. And that's because we are one people. Anioma State is for Igbanke people. Anioma State is for Iru people. Anioma State is for Ekpon people. All the Ika speaking people in those states are expected to be in Anioma State. He said that Igbanke people have enough lands for development and so on. Igbanke is a very big community. Very big. You know what you say? Community we get 6 autonomous kings. We have Ota, Omolwa, Idumodin, Ake, Origi, and Ibonto. All these are separate communities with their own kings, but they came together as one single people, as one single entity, and they are called Igbanke. So Igbanke cannot be all these communities were small like this. No, it's very big. Igbanke people have enough land for development. They have enough land for infrastructural development. So nobody for Anioma go they treat Igbanke people badly now. No, now. We Igbo people, we don't marginalize people. We don't subjugate people. We don't oppress people. We live in good terms with our neighbor. The thing we say, Nigeria and our country, we say, they just hate you as an Igbo person. All those Igbanke people saying, we are Igbanke people, we are not Igbo people, we are not this, we are not that, we don't want to join Anioma State. You get some Igbanke people who don't want to join Anioma State. All those are people who they call Ozwai Sina for Potowa. Now so they burn them. They just come like they be Ozwai. Your people there, those states, they know they develop, they marginalize them. You know they concern your own, you say, you don't want to make Igbanke people join Igbo. Igbo is your problem. Benin people are marginalizing Igbanke people in those states. That will not be your problem. Now Igbo be your problem. Ozwai. So many people now they don't get sense. We don't want to join Southeast though. We want to be in South. Is Southeast your problem? Is Southeast the problem of Igbanke people? Which tribe for South like we Anioma people? They don't see us as one of them. In this Delta State that we Anioma people are today, our neighbors in Delta State, they don't see we Anioma people as Delta people. They say that they are the real Delta, that we Anioma people are not Delta people. They think that we are enjoying from their crude oil, we are enjoying from their resources. They believe that we are not part of them. That is why we want Anioma State, so that we will start coexisting with our Southeast brothers, to coexist with the entire Abia speaking people, to coexist with the entire Igbo race. And that was why from Igbanke is saying that he wants Anioma State to remain in South. That's why there are politicians in Igbanke that are not in support of Anioma State creation. They want Igbanke to remain in their present location. They want Igbanke people to remain in Edo State because the government of Edo State, they pay them peanuts. Benin people, they pay them peanuts. Some of them, they work for Benin. So that's why they want to make their people remain for Edo State. All those politicians for Igbanke, all of them, people, all of them, they grace. All of them now why. All of them now why. Fools. Because of their own selfishness, they want to make their people still, they suffer for Edo State. Make them still marginalize their people. Enter Igbanke, you not go see any good structure for there. You not go see 3-story building for Igbanke. No big supermarkets, nothing. Everywhere just there anyhow. You go say na Igbanke, why would they hear everywhere for internet buildings? No development. Nothing there Igbanke. No lights. And one of why where call himself politician want to make Igbanke in people remain for those states. They suffer. Mechuku punish each and every politician where they Igbanke we no want to make Igbanke join Anioma State. How much Benin people they pay them? 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 300,000. I won't make you keep your people for Edo State. Evil people. Now why Nigeria not they move forward? Because so many politicians evil. African politicians love using their people to play politics. They don't care about the life and welfare of their people. Now their pockets. Yeah, people. Oba of Benin suspend your kings, he not pay you. You just say, you want to remain for South. You want to remain for Edo States. Every Igbanke person will no one make Igbanke people join Anioma State, you could punish all of them. And they got to see on the many people are named and they don't get sense. So many of them are fighting this Anioma State creation, but they will fail. In the sense that Anioma State is a go. Igbanke people will join Anioma State. It's a done deal. 85 senators supported Anioma State. 85 senators in Nigeria supported Anioma State. Who is that person that will stop Anioma State? They never born that person. Anioma State is a goal. It's unstoppable. Nobody can stop her. Because Anioma State is long overdue. No going back. No one will take Igbanke away from the Igbo race. Igbanke people remain Igbos. Anioma State must be actualized and will be zoned to the southeast. Anioma State is a southeast state. So those people that are saying that Anioma State will be actualized and remain in south, you are just wasting your time. If that is your opinion, that opinion is rubbish. Anioma State will never be a south state. South people not see us as one of them. We are going to where we are being accepted, which is southeast. Southeast accept us because we'll be one people with them. Other South tribes not going to ever accept Anioma people because we are not the same with them. Ijo will never accept us as one of them. Urubo will not accept us as one of them. Ishakiri will not accept us as one of them. Isoko will not accept us as one of them. The only people that will accept us is the southeast, where we belong. We're not going to get Anioma State. They with people where we say, if we go South conference, we're not going to hear what they talk. We're going to use English. We're going to use English language they communicate. That's rubbish. We are going to southeast where we speak Igbo language. When we speak Ika, they hear. When we speak Okwani, they hear. When we speak Enwani, they hear. We are one people, Igbo Bofu. And nobody can divide us. Remain blessed, my people. Ishiegwale.